Which way, you mob? It is the holiday period. As you know, everyone is out searching for crab. So I found this little spot, a little honey hole, where we had heaps of crab holes in it last time. So we're just gonna try and take it into that location and see how we go. I'm gonna go bait this pot up so we can get it in there, over there. That's the water I'm trying to get to over there. Get over to it. When I came in here, it was dry. Right, so we just have to find a good spot. See the crab hole there? I don't know if you can. Well, this is the spot. There's a lot of mosquitoes here, so I'm trying to get in and get out. But down that side, there's about 4 crab holes there. There's 2 here. One just, there's quite a few in here. There we go. Got the pot in. Now let's move on to go and set this net. Right, we've got to the spot where we're going to build a little humpy, and we're also going to put the net up, not net out while we do it, so we've got time to kill. Right, we'll set it across here, straight across there. We will try and put a hut in there, in the center of there, and this out here will be our viewing dock point. So we'll be able to even leave a tinny up in here, be cool for a little fishing spot. But yeah, we'll put a humpy in there. We'll build framework for a roof. What? It's a grasshopper. This is a pretty good spot to start. Slowly clearing out an area in here, smoking it out, get rid of all the spider webs and all the other insects, creepy crawlies. But this is our doorway. It's gonna be a doorway place back there. Right now that's the fire pit be over there, but right now that's just, we're gonna try and clear out our area in there, put a roof back in there. Let's go check on this net. Well, let's go back, do some more building. There has been some huge bream in here. Been in this tree for about an hour. There's too much stuff in the net. I can see all the fish going to it and turning around. Now we're going to the secret spot and we'll see how we went there. Right, this is the secret spot. This is the one where there's heaps of holes. Oh, I can already see one in there. There we go. Holy. Look, one tried reaching in there and got out. Oh no. There's three keepers. Oh, look at that big ass claw. It's Christmas holidays and everyone's been out. And guess what? We've got the crab. This is why you do not tell some people where you go. Because look at this. People have been out already over the holidays and look. Boom. 3 keepers just there. The poor other one's got no nippers. These ones must have been just going at him. Whew. There we go. 2 big bucks. One day up from Christmas. That's good. That's a good spot. All right. Cheers for watching this video. It's the first one I've done alone for a long time. I'm planning to do a lot more. Keep watching, man. Keep subscribing to us. Liking, sharing and following really does help. Helps keep me out in the bush. And I generally love it. Love showing you the journey, all that. And it really does support heaps. Thank you. God bless and Merry Christmas.